Scorpio, Scorpio, Scorpio. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. 16 to the 31st January. Reading natin. Yep. Okay, welcome, welcome. Shout out po ako sa mga fellow OFW. Kamusta? Kamusta po? Ingat. Another reading second half for January. 16 to 31. Yep. Okay. Bilis ng panahon. Okay. Check natin. Oops. Sandali. Baliktad yata yung card. Oops. Sorry, Scorpio. Okay. Ulitin ko. Inaantok pa tong baraha. Okay. 16 to 31. Scorpio. Fellow Scorpio. Water sign. Mga strong personality. Mga can see and read in the dark. Yeah? Okay, yan ang power ng Scorpio. Intuitive, very sensitive, very fixed sign. Hindi mo hindi mo ma-impluwensyahan. Yeah? Tama po ba? Okay, tingnan natin. 16 to 31. January. What my fellow Scorpio needs to know. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin yung ating storyboard. Kung merong message related dun sa new moon. Yep, ituloy natin. Long-term goal daw. Long-term goal yun. At saka preparation sa new growth at opportunities. Ituloy natin yung magandang storyboard for 2026. Simula ng taon. Yeah? Give me one card. Give me one card para sa ating Scorpion. Fellow Scorpion. One card. Sorry. Oops, nahulog. Sorry. Okay. Four of Pentacles. Yeah? Okay, Four of Pentacles. Ito yung nagtitipid. Yes? Miser mentality. Yep. Depende sa situation. So, it's either ayaw mo munang makipagkwentuhan at i-share yung plano mo, or kailangan talagang magtipid. Yes? Magtipid hindi dahil sa kulang sa budget, but being practical, frugal. Yeah? I think that's the right word. Frugal. Yeah? So, start of the year, 16 to the 31st of January. Very frugal ang Scorpio. Tignan natin. Ayusin ko. Yeah, okay. Tignan natin. Yun ang first message. Ituloy natin. Okay. Kuha ko sa isang deck. Yeah. So, magtipid. So, keep it to ourselves. Yan. Keep it to ourselves. Wala mo ng distraction. Yeah? Avoid yung distraction. Gusto mong mag-solo flight. Gusto nyo mong mag-isa muna. Akin muna yung plano ko. Akin muna yung pera. I will take care of myself. Yeah? So, not necessarily na hindi tutulong or hindi mag-share sa pambayad ng kuryente, but frugal. Practical. Dapat kung ano lang dapat gastusin, yun lang. Yeah? Okay. Yep, okay. That's a good sign. Good start for the year. Yeah? Mahirap ang buhay. Kailangan magtipid. Yeah, kapag may sobra, doon mag-shopping at or invest. This can also sign for investing. Yeah, kung ano yung maliit na naiipon or yung perang sobra, you put it on the right place. Yeah, okay. Para hindi po anayin. Yeah, wag itatago sa sa alkansya. Meron ako nakita sa news. Mahigit yata yung 20 mil. Yeah. Okay. So, realistic to, 3-dimension. It's either magtitipid, magso-solo flight, akin muna, tsatsaniin ko. Yeah? Okay. I think it's a good partner for the fire horse. Mabilis kasi. So, okay, Scorpio, medyo madrama minsan. At minsan madadala yan sa ano, sa tukso. Yeah? Okay, 16 to 31. Give me one card. Scorpio, Scorpio. Give me blind spot, blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. Anahin na natin to. Todo na natin. Todo na natin, Scorpio. Give me one card, one card. One card for fellow water sign Scorpio. One card lang, one card. One card, one card, one card. One card, one card. Yeah, lumilipad. Okay, clarity. Ace of sword, yeah? Okay, mag-calculate. Budget. Pera, okay? Clarity. Award, reward. Bagong idea. Bagong panimula. Yeah. Ace of sword. Reward. I consider this as ano, meron sa'yong ibibigay na award. Yeah? So, ang definition niyan, hindi po yung papanik sa entablado. Maaring papanik sa entablado, pero not for everybody. Yung simpleng ito, nagtipid ka, nagdeposito ka sa bangko, hindi kinain ng anay, yung 10,000 pinagka-chani-chani mo for the whole 2025, kumita ng 1,005. Yeah? Yan. Nag-calculate ka, nag-budget ka, nag-isip ka kung paano ano to, walang emosyon to. Ace, air, sa isip, sharp ka. Nag-calculate, binaybay mo, dineposito mo yun, at nag-exponentially growth. Yes? Okay. Unexpected. 16 to 31, yung itinanim, aanihin, 16 to 31, yung 10,000, tutubo. You can check that out. Yeah? Nag-calculate, nag-budget, nagtipid, minsan hindi kumain ng tanghalian, naglakad, hindi nagsumakay ng air-conditioned bus, yan. Okay? Hindi ka nakinig sa sasabihin ng tao na ay nagdudukha yata tong si Scorpio. Yung mga ganun tipo, yeah? And ito, hindi to pride. Yes? Ano tayo? Walang itong mga posting sa social media na kumain ako dito sa sa isang restaurant or naka-stay ako dito sa isang magandang resort or something. Yes? So, the quiet, the better. Yeah? Akin muna dahil kailangan kong mag-impok. Yes? Solo muna ako. Quiet. Away from the discrimination at iba pang mga nega. Yes? Ano kayo ito? Laser sharp focus. Yes? Okay. And then, you're gonna reap something. You're gonna get something. That's how it is. Okay. So, ituloy natin. Magandang simula ito for 2026. Year of the Fire Horse po. So, malaki yung effect din yan sa Scorpio kasi tayo, fixed sign. At saka, I think Scorpio is also one of tinamaan siya. One of the good, in terms of yung getting what we want na hindi mabigat. Kasama yung Scorpio. Yeah? So, ituloy natin yon. Anything na mag-open yung opportunity yung mga ganyan, take advantage. Take advantage po. Okay, ituloy natin yung storyboard. Fellow Scorpio. Oops, sorry. Nililipat. Yeah. Okay, ayusin ko lang. Nalaglag yung card. Okay. Yeah. Okay, ituloy ko. Knock. Okay. One shuffle. Ilayo ko siya doon para hindi hanginin. Yeah, okay. So, ituloy natin. Storyboard ni Scorpio. Give me blind spot. So, merong opportunity, nagka-idea in terms of pera ito. Four of Pentacle, pera, structure, health, at saka family. Yes? Yung halimbawa nag-aaral ka, nag-enroll ka sa klase, ngayon mahal yung tuition fee dahil meron kang tinutulungan or meron pamilyadong tao. So lahat ng savings mo magagamit mo kasi hindi ka binayaran ng kumpanya sa sa plano mo mag-review or something. So ngayon, nagkaroon ka ng another idea, maaring another source of income or how to save money or idea na I didn't know na yung savings ko pala nanganak ng ganyan. Yes, ito yan. Another eureka moment is eureka moment, you find something. Ano ito? Huhugot to. Hinugot mo to dun sa nakaraan. Continuation. Okay, tuloy natin yung storyboard. Ituloy natin yung storyboard. One blind spot. One blind spot lang. Another card. Another card. Fellow Scorpio. So, shout out po kung makaresonate. Kung hindi, sa susunod, general reading. I-akma po natin sa situation. But definitely, the energy is about being frugal, matipid, mag-solo flight muna, focus. That's a leisure sharp focus, okay? Kung ano yung intention mo na yon, there's a purpose, yeah? Scorpio, very powerful, but kung bakit gagawin niya yung something na hindi for the sake of doing that, gagawin niya lang. There's a deeper meaning. And you found that purpose, yeah? With that ace. There's a reward. Meron kayo gustong ma-achieve dyan. You want to achieve something. Okay, one card. Ayaw nito may hangover. One lang. One card. Ayaw mo sumagot. Yeah, okay. Are you dealing with Taurus? Okay, the Hierophant. Okay. Again, yung pinaplano mo, I think, very academic. Okay? Ano yung trabaho ng Scorpio na nasa harapan ko? Yeah, okay. Any plans, iba-iba tayo. I-generalize ko sa halimbawa, nagtitinda ka sa palengke. Yes? Kailangan mong napapamahal na yung mga materyales, yung kung ano may tinitinda mo, kung humahango ka ng mga finished goods na ibebenta mo rin online or sa palengke, tumataas yun, yes? Nagkaroon ka ng alternative. That's how it is. Alternative or halimbawa, baboy, yeah? Halimbawa, tumaas. Ngayon, nagkaroon ka ng alternative na baka pwede ka nang magtinda ng kalahating baboy at saka kalahating seafood, na parang combination siya or kalahating gulay para lang ma-supplement yung negosyo. Ano pa rin siya? Another income stream, yeah? Stream, revenue, ano pa rin siya? Or magtinda ka ng gulaman at sago, complementary, those type of thing. Nagkaroon ka ng another eureka moment na mahina itong lugawan. Ngayon, magtitindaan naman ako ng buko at buko pandan, or bibingka. Those kind of thing. Magkakaroon ka ng idea at mayroong darating sa'yo. Ngayon, structure, Hierophant, structure yan. Merong mga, yung sinasabi ng simbahan, sinusunod, sinasabi ng gobyerno, sinusunod. Minsan, makaluma. Okay? Ace of Sword, new idea. Leisure sharp focus. Do your research also. Makinig ka, itaas mo yung antena, Scorpio. Halimbawa, meron kang 10,000 na plano kong mabibili, itinatago mo yan, okay? Merong mga bagong produkto or mga bagong possible income investment na pwede mong ilagay yun. Baka pwede kang tumataas yung presyo halimbawa ng gold, okay? Baka pwede mong ibentang, bumili ka ng ginto at after 3 months, pwede mong ibenta ulit. Mas mataas siya sa interest ng bangko. Mga ganun tipo to. I-research mo. Structure, wala kang gagawin. You don't need to go outside the box. Yes? Alternative. Ang nakikita ko rito, option. Alternative, option, at saka merong babagsak sa iyo na idea. Yes? And it's very rewarding. Yeah? Iba-iba tayo po. Iba-iba po tayo ng background. Pero, isa pa rin dito is believe in yourself. Okay? Minsan nawawala kang kumpiyansa. Okay? Istruktura yan, yung paniniwala mo. Walang ano, there's no right or wrong. Walang tama at mali sa desisyon natin. Pero alam natin importante sa lahat, dito sa Scorpio yung nasa harapan ko kasi nag-ano ka, Four of Pentacle. Nag-ano ka dito eh. Sabihin ko na nag-emote ka rito, nagko-contemplate ka rito, paano mo pa mapapalago or mapapaganda kasi this is boredom. Yes? Pero yung take advantage yung pagiging boredom mo na nag-iisa ka na hindi ka lang magbo-bore at tutunganga. Okay? Hierophant, istruktura. Nakatingin siya rito. Natingnan mo, pag-uusapan ko yung dalawa, yung card. Four of Pentacle, meron akong kakapiraso. Ito yung talento ko, whatsoever, down the line, blah, 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 blah. Okay? Mag-iisip ako. Bagong taon, gusto ko namang palaguin itong kapiraso kong income. Yes? Bam. Okay? Mag-calculate ka. Laser sharp focus. 16 to 31, meron kang bagong idea ang darating. Makikita mo. Okay? Wala kang pakialam sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. Ako muna. Yes? Ako muna. Unahin ko muna yung sarili ko. Start of the year. Yes? Long-term goal. Taking responsibility. Sabi dito, okay, Scorpio, ito yung pera ko. Ngayon, mag-iisip ako, tumingin tayo rito. Ano kayang magandang istruktura na pwede nating pagkakitaan o something na pwede kong long-term. Yung kasi ang new moon reading, Hierophant, long-term istruktura, bangko, eskwelahan, gobyerno. Ano ang pumapatak sa senaryo mo now na pwede mong iakma sa what is available sa ano ba yung nasa market ngayon? Ano ba yung nangyayari ngayon sa society? Ano ba yung something na pagkakitaan? Ano ba yung something na pwede kong side hustle? Ano ba yung pwede kong yung rule na pwede kong to go around it? Yeah, makaluma yung struktura pero we cannot run away for that one. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, maski na hindi tayo satisfied dun sa sitwasyon, pero it doesn't mean na we're gonna be stuck. Yeah? Hierophant, Taurus, alam niyang magkalkal ng lupa at mag-araro. Yes? Earth sign siya. So alam niya kung paano itayo ito, yung pillar, itayo itong pillar, at to lead these people na ang structure is solid at hindi magigiba. So it's time for you to stand up and believe in yourself na kaya mo rin mag-create ng iyong empire. Yeah? Simbahan, structure yan. It's 1,000 year of structure. Hindi na magigiba. Yeah? Bangko, hindi na magigiba. Yan. If you're thinking of going to that direction, nothing is impossible. Gusto mo magkaroon ng 2 stall sa palengke, isda at saka gulay. That's the structure na gusto mo. Yeah? Go for it. Ano yung eureka moment mo? Yeah? Iba-iba po tayo. Iba-iba po tayo ng background. Kung gusto mong tumagal doon sa kumpanya na yan at maging manager ka ng something like that. You are following the struktura. Pero yung effort, okay? May effort kang ginagawa dito kasi ito nagtitipid ka, hindi ka na kumakain ng tanghalian eh. Yeah? That's the effort. Ano yan? Ako muna, kaya hawak-hawak niya yung pentacle niya. Yes? Inaano niya, chinachane, kinakalculate. Yeah? Okay. Ituloy natin. This is I like this type of reading kasi realistic, practical at day to day. Kailangan natin yan, especially beginning of the year. Yeah, ayaw natin for me, ayoko din po ng madaming planong so big na hindi mo na ma-achieve. This is more realistic. It's early stage pa lang ng 2026. Okay, ituloy po natin. Scorpio. Okay, what else you need to know? Ayusin ko lang yung card ko at Okay. Yeah, okay. Give me one blind spot. Scorpio. Okay. Busy ang Scorpio this year po. Busy. especially born under the horse sign. Kung merong ditong horse sign na pinanganak. Okay. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. Give me one blind spot. One blind spot. One blind spot. Yeah, magkape-kape po tayo. Relax po tayo, fellow OFW. Madaming trabaho. Hindi tayo mawawalan. And be thankful. Okay. One blind spot. One blind spot. One blind spot. Okay, may hangover pa. One blind spot. One blind spot. One blind spot. One more. One more. Tuloy natin ang storyboard. Taurus is very, dito, prominent. Baka may boss kang Taurus. Okay? Oh, it can be opportunity. It can be opportunity. ang problema, no, I don't consider a problema. One personality na Scorpio, hindi ka masyadong nagsasalita. Okay? Hindi ka nagtatanong. Yeah? I think it requires level of maturity. Yeah, I'm not saying na hindi mature yung nandito sa harap ng Scorpio, pero being Scorpio myself, you have the tendency na medyo proud to. Hierophant is proud. Yeah? Kasi na ako mataas na yung level ko Yan. Okay, mataas na yung level ko. Nakapag-build na ako ng sarili kong empire. Yeah? So, parang sinasamba ka na. Yeah? So, hindi ka na ngayon nagtatanong, pero makaluma ka. Okay? Okay, one blind spot. One blind spot. Not for everybody, pero yan ang minsan sakit na. Hindi lang na Scorpio, kundi mostly. When you reach that certain level or age na ayaw mo ng makinig ng opinion, yeah? That's restrictive yan. Hierophant is structure. Ayaw nilang baliin na yung struktura nila. Yun na talaga, by the book. Okay. Oops, may na bumaliktad ba? Okay. Ituloy natin. This is interesting. This is interesting sa akin. Okay. Meron ako napipick up dito for what's happening sa situation ko na. Okay. Okay. One blind spot. One blind spot lang. Isa lang. Okay. Okay. Queen of Cups. Yeah. This is Scorpio element. Lumalabas madalas ito. So, ang palaging pick up ko rito is yung balance. Yeah. Okay. Air, yung ulap, hangin yan, isip, at saka yung emotion. Palagi kong dinidetach yan. Nasa gitna niyan yung puso. Yes. That's the Ace of Cup. Ace of Cup, hindi palagi new beginning. Pero it's an offer of connection, emotion. Yes? Okay. Balance palagi. That's always I pick this up, this card na ito. Okay? Scorpio ka, emotional, sentimental, water sign. So, if you're dealing with something na practical, temptation, okay? Struktura temptation, yung mga nagtitinda ng mumurahin sa mga shopping mall, okay? Struktura, yun ang plano nila, magbenta, okay? Okay, yung emotional space mo, i-balance mo. Detach, reality, okay? Kaya ka nandito sa Ace of Sword na ito, okay? At saka yung water mo, lang yan, tinitimpla mo lang yan, timplahin mo siya, timplahin mo kung anong dapat timplahin, yes? So, balance, okay? Nasa tapat siya ng Four of Pentacles na nagsosolo ka. So, it's either, wag ka naman masyado mag-solo. Open up. As far as the sea, open, ocean. Yeah? Yun ang isa ko pag na-pick up dito. Open up. Open up yung yung cups. Okay? Open up yung emotion yan Okay? Open up and explore. Okay, I can see that island. Yeah. Yung bundok, po yan? Pangarap, panaginip, ambisyon. Yan ang meaning sa tarot. Okay? Open up to possibility. Yeah? Yung emotion mo, connect. Aside from the higher vibration at yung intuitive ng pagiging Scorpio natin. Okay? Yeah? Okay. I think I know what it means for me. Okay. Minsan kasi guarded tayo. Okay. we are guarded, okay? Kasi ayaw mong masaktan or ayaw mong mapahiya or you're just proud, okay? That's how it is. Na ayaw mo masabi na, titimang-timang ka, hindi mo naman pala alam ito. Yeah, that's true. Hindi ka nagtatanong kasi ayaw mong ano din. That's ego. Ego yan. Ego yung Hierophant na yan. Okay, tuloy pa natin. Blind spot. Okay, but opportunity is coming. So you need to keep that balance and keep that open emotion, connection. Yeah? Okay, tingnan natin. Tingnan ko pa. Blind spot. Oops, hindi sa yan. Blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. Blind spot for Scorpio. One lang, one lang, one lang. Bigyan pa ako ng isang blind spot. Scorpio, what else we need to know? What else we need to know? Yeah? Oh my gulay. Okay, yeah. Okay. The tower is, ano to? Scorpio energy ito. Okay. Ano ba itong sisilipin ko rito? Okay. Opportunity or it can be sa katigasan ng ulo because of this itong Hierophant na ito matigas ang ulo na ito Hindi ito mabeben, hindi po ito mabeben. Okay, Hierophant, the tower, so big shift. Ito yung force by nature, force by, yeah, okay. Na hindi natin ma-defy, yeah? Okay. Ngayon, because of your set of prinsipyo, yung pride and yung yung paniniwala mo, belief setting na hindi matinag, this is not for all, okay? Yung universe na rin sa'yo ang magtiteach ng lesson na Scorpio, this is how it should be done. And wala nang urungan ito. Yeah? Wala nang urungan. Okay. Also, another message na nakikita ko, siguro understand yourself more. Okay? Not for everybody. If you Scorpio na starting of 16 to 31 or early ng January, early part of the year, understand yourself, okay? Understand more. Okay, madali pong sabihin yon. And sometimes parang corny or yeah. Pero yeah, it's all about understanding yung mo talaga, yung ano ba yung gusto mo. Kasi nagso-solo flight ka rito it will open up for you. Okay? The more na maintindihan mo o maunawaan mo talaga, Scorpio, na nasa harapan ko, kung ano pa talaga yung gusto mong ma-achieve, yes, this is about achieving and dreaming. Don't get stuck. Okay? Four of Pentacles, you get stuck. Okay? Sabi ko nga, miser mentality. Now, hindi mo marirealize yung infinite abundance, laser sharp focus. Ano ba yung problema mo? Okay? Go back to the basic. Okay? Academic. Yeah? Structure. Anong gusto mo? And it will open up more. That's how it is. Kung hindi, yung nature na mismo ang magbubuhos sa'yo ng malamig na tubig. Yeah? The tower. That's Scorpio energy. Understanding. Higher purpose. Yan. Pag lumilito yung major arcana ng sign mo, that's about you understanding yourself or being honest to yourself or your true self. Yeah? Yan po, ganun yan. Dumarating yan. Yan yung mga minsan nararamdaman mo na nag-contemplate ka na gusto mo lang mag-isa and ano bang gagawin ko sa buhay? Kasi nagsawa ka na tapos na yung cycle You're not supposed to be there anymore. Yeah? That's true. Huwag niyo pong, pag nasa comfort zone ka, kontento ka na doon, tapos wala kang wala kang add value na. Yes, you don't add value to anything sa universe, sa paligid mo kasi nakatunganga ka, kumakain ka, nanonood ng telenovela, masaya ka na doon, nakakabayad ka ng kuryente, pero wala ka naman natutulungan. Well, that's not how it works. The universe have other grand plan for you. Yeah. So yung universe na mismo ang magsishake sa'yo and you need to be aware and be ready for this. Okay? You need to be ready for this, Scorpio. Okay? So, this is the grand plan for you. Okay. Okay. Kuha pa ako isa. Balikan ko tong isang card ko. Yung sinimulan ko. Yung deck na start ko. Okay. Tingnan natin. Put tayo ng, I just want to get one conclusion. One outcome. Okay. Let's see. Blind spot. Okay. Where is this heading? Yung tower moments na yan. Okay. Anong learning lesson yan for Scorpio? Anong matututunan ni Scorpio dito sa sitwasyon na ito? Okay? Struktura, yun ang gusto mong balikan. Back to basic. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Opportunity, nagcha-chane ka, nagsa-solo flight ka. Ngayon, kailangan mo i-open yung radar mo sa surrounding you. That's the Queen of Cups. Okay? Detach mo yung emotion, yung kadramahan mo sa reality. Nagano ka rito? Nagmamanifest ka. You're contemplating of something. Okay? Some bored Scorpio ito na hindi alam yung gusto mo sa buhay. Or you just bored dahil naka-confine ka sa structure, you've been doing things for a long period of time. Yeah. You want to do something kasi Scorpio ka eh. Hindi ka you're always looking for that change and it change is coming. Pero yung Scorpio na sa harapan ko, mukhang nasa dekahon ka. Nasa kahon tong Scorpio nasa harapan ko and the universe is telling you, okay. Six of Swords. Yeah, okay. Yes, okay. You're moving now to the right direction. Okay. Okay. I-summarize ko siya. Okay. Yung babagsak bang bagong idea, tatanggapin mo ng buong pag-iisip at with an open heart, open mind, walang drama, at handa ka bang hindi to about defying, okay? I-ano mo lang, kumbaga it's a go around yung sa situation, okay? So, yung sinabi ko na nga yung goal, nagtitinda ka ng baboy, mahina yung kita, so magko-complement ka magtinda ng gulay. Yes? Hindi ka ready na magtinda ng gulay kasi alam mong ikaw ay nagtitinda ng baboy. Yun ang ito yan, hindi mo dinidefy, ano mo lang, babaguhin, i-massage mo lang yung sitwasyon. And once na ma-master mo yon, keep that open, higher vibration, ma-identify mo talaga kung sino ka Scorpio sa sitwasyon mo now, then you're gonna find that peace of mind at saka yung direction na hinahanap mo. Okay? That's all. Direction na hinahanap mo. Six of Swords, mental, yung laser sharp focus mo will lead you to uncharted territory. Okay? Ano yun? Ayun yung star. Okay? That's the dream. Okay? Moving to that direction. Okay. Bigyan ko pa ito ng isang card. Tignan natin kung ano yung outcome nito. Saan ako kukuha? Okay. Dito. Balik ako dito. Tignan natin. Very realistic. Okay? Kasi we are so caught up dun sa natin sa sitwasyon natin and we don't want minsan Scorpio fixed sign nandiyan yan, nagsamot-samot na rin yung nangyayari sa sitwasyon sa buhay natin. I don't see a Scorpio na nag-give up dito. Siguro pagod lang or you just want change, and the change, yung pagbabago hinahanap mo darating. Okay, one outcome. I just want to see outcome, Scorpio, fellow Scorpio. Okay, interested to. Scorpio, one blind spot. One blind spot. Okay. Okay, inulit ng card. Okay? Walang ano po. Walang sugar coating. Kaya multiple deck. Okay, nakita nyo yan? Six of Swords. Binigay ulit, Six of Swords. Sabi ganun sa akin, tumigil ka, kinukulit mo ako. Sabi ko sa'yo, pupunta ka dun sa katahimikang hinahanap mo. Yeah? Okay. Ayaw niya na magsalita. Siguro, siguro. Okay, Scorpio. Yeah, pinagod ako nitong card na ito. Yeah, okay. So, Six of Swords, Six of Swords, validation. Itong Scorpio na nasa harapan ko, magpapakape ka. Okay? This tower moment, i-relate ko lang sa akin. I just want to share my what's happening also to me. So, may tower moment in a sense na sa trabaho, may big ship, maraming determinated. So, pero kasama ako sa matitira. So, something to that effect. Yes? Okay. So, struktura, kailangan kong magtrabaho, kaya kailangan kong magtipid at magtiyane. Yeah? OFW, alam mo yan. So, pero hindi ako pwedeng lumaban sa sitwasyon kasi kailangan ko nang pumunta doon sa, for me, kung ano itong Six of Swords na ito, I'm happy. I'm happy. Six of Swords, meaning matahimik, tuloy pa rin yung pagbabaybay ko na sa maalong dagat, ito yung trabaho, ito yung pangarap ko, ito yung kabuhayan, tuloy pa rin. Start of January, I start of the year. Yeah. So, iakma po natin yung sitwasyon ito yung yung spread sa situation natin. But this is a good reading, Scorpio. For me, nakakapagod pero that's how it is. Ito. Six of Sword, I'm happy. I'm happy with that. So kailangan ko magtipid, yeah? I never know kung kailan ako, that's how it is. That's what life is all about po. Tama po ba? Okay. Okay, one moon card. One moon card. Tignan natin, ituloy natin. For me, it's good. It's good already. Okay. It's good already. Scorpio. Scorpio din po ako, kaya interested ako. One lang. Nap. Okay. Dalawa yung ibinigay. Basahin natin. Okay. Basahin natin, Scorpio. Oh, yeah. Okay. Cancer. Yeah. Close tayo sa Cancer. Okay. Spend time with family or helping others. Avoid situation that can be a drain on your emotion. Yeah. Okay. Kung ano man yan, family time. Yeah, family time. As simple as that. Sabi nung palaka. Okay, Frog Prince. The path has been cleared for you to make a change that previously seemed unachievable. Yeah? Okay. Unachievable. Ano yung unachievable? Hindi ka Four of Pentacles, yeah? Hindi ka magchachani or matatakot, magtitipid kung alam mong yung path is clear to you. Now, I can see, i-apply ko sa akin, the path is clear for me. Six of Swords. So, trabaho, tuloy pa rin. That's how it means. Wala akong babaguhin. Itutuloy ko lang kung ano yung dapat kong gagawin. Kailangan kong mag-create ng new idea para mabango ako sa kumpanya at magbigyan pa ako ng kabuhayan. Kasama po yan. Maski na buwisit ako minsan, yeah, that's true. Emotional tayo. I will keep that clear head para hindi ako mabalanse ko kasi I need to take care of myself also. Yeah? Okay. So, magpapakape ka, Scorpio. So fellow Scorpio, tower moments. Alamin mo yung gusto mo. Scorpio ka, fixed sign, at you will go heights, leaps and bounds this year. Yeah, I can see this tower. Yeah. Okay. So, Scorpio, napahaba. So, sana nag-enjoy ka at salamat po.